Welcome back. Today we have some truly exciting news to share with you. Did you know that our planet Earth is about to get a temporary new moon? Yes, you heard that right. A new celestial body will be joining us, albeit for a short period. Meet 2024 PT5, a fascinating 33-foot wide asteroid. This small but intriguing space rock is on its way to becoming Earth's mini-moon for a couple of months. Unlike our permanent moon, which has been a steadfast companion for billions of years, 2024 PT5 will follow a unique and temporary path. It will trace a distinctive horseshoe-shaped orbit around Earth before it continues its journey through the vast expanse of space. This fascinating space rock was discovered by scientists in August 2024. It belongs to the Arjuna asteroid group, a collection of asteroids that have orbits strikingly similar to Earth's. These asteroids are named after the hero Arjuna from Indian mythology, symbolizing their close relationship with our planet. The closest approach of 2024 PT5 to Earth will be an astonishing 567,000 kilometers. From September 29th until November 25th, it will become a temporary companion in our cosmic neighborhood. During this period, it will be an object of great interest for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. So what does this mean for us? Well, it's a rare and exciting opportunity to observe a new celestial body in our vicinity. Scientists will be able to study its composition, trajectory, and behavior, providing valuable insights into the nature of near-Earth objects. For the rest of us, it's a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. Imagine looking up at the night sky and knowing that a new mini-moon is orbiting our planet. It's a thrilling thought, isn't it? This event is not just a scientific curiosity, but also a chance for all of us to feel more connected to the cosmos. During its brief stay, 2024 PT5 will be closely monitored by space probes and telescopes. Scientists hope to gather detailed data about its surface composition and structure. This information could be crucial for future missions aimed at understanding and potentially mining asteroids. The scientific community is abuzz with excitement. Conferences and discussions are already being planned to share findings and theories about this unique visitor. Computer models are being developed to predict its exact path and behavior during its stay. Educational programs and interactive exhibits are also being set up to engage the public. Schools and museums are preparing to teach students and visitors about this extraordinary event, making space science more accessible and exciting for everyone. Community stargazing events are being organized worldwide. Imagine gathering with fellow space enthusiasts to catch a glimpse of our temporary mini-moon. It's a perfect opportunity to share the wonder of the universe with others. But keep in mind, due its distance and size, you're going to need a pretty good setup that most people just do not have in order to see anything. And for those who love space-themed merchandise, there will be plenty of mini-moon souvenirs and educational books about asteroids available. It's a great way to commemorate this rare event and learn more about our cosmic neighborhood. So mark your calendars and get ready for an astronomical adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cosmic content. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest from the final frontier. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering about the mysteries of the cosmos.